As you say, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll just wait for 5 more minutes. Let people connect so that uh, the things they don't miss. So, how was your third day? How many of you did it? I have given grain today in the dinner part. Have you done? As we add on the nutrients in a right way, gradually the cravings go away. कई लोगों को स्वीट मीठा खाने की बहुत क्रेविंग होती है. Like once they finish up their lunch or dinner, they do need something sweet to eat, right? That is their body's deep, strong urge to have sweets. So what does this indicate? Do you know? It indicates that your body is lacking magnesium. तो मैग्नीशियम किस चीज से सबसे ज्यादा मिलता है? वी गेट मैग्नीशियम, highest amount of magnesium from green leafy vegetables. जितना हम green leafy vegetables in the raw form, if we add, our body is going to get enough amount of magnesium, and which is gradually going to take care of your cravings, है ना? तो मतलब जो जो चीज का क्रेविंग होता है, some people crave for fried food, some people crave for cheese, some people crave for baked food, some particularly crave for chocolates. So all these things indicate your body's need. When we understand that, automatically all those cravings gradually go. So when you are cleaning your body, when you are nourishing it with the dense nutrition, what will happen? Gradually your cravings, your need for food will gradually decrease, and you will be able to do fast in a very nice way. So never ever worry कि यार I cannot fast, I cannot live without food. It is just temporary. वो है ना, पेट की भूख नहीं होती, मन की भूख होती है. That is our craving. Our body does not need that. ठीक है ना? तो जितना ग्रेजुअली अंडरस्टैंड करके कनेक्शन डेवलप करोगे आप अपने बॉडी से, ऑटोमेटिकली ऑल द क्रेविंग्स विल गो अवे. You will be perfectly fine with fast, and you don't need too much of food also, because it will give you that nice satisfaction, satiety feeling आ जाएगी. And once you feel uh, that satisfaction with the food you are eating, absolutely you will enjoy, you will start loving this change. So this 3 days were just like पिक्चर रिलीज का ट्रेलर बोलते हैं ना, वो ट्रेलर था. It was just, I just wanted you to understand this world as well. And through this knowledge share session, I think lots of confusions might be clear on your part as well. So what I want is कि ये 3 दिन चाहे जो भी किया, okay fine. Now you have the clarity in your mind कि कैसे fast करना है, कैसे detox कर सकते हैं. And once you go on that track, your body is going to give you that energy, your body is going to give you that glow, everything, whatever you want, you will get. So it is just a matter of change. I know that change is always difficult. कुछ भी नया करना difficult होता है. But once you try it is simple. It is always simple. बट गाड़ी का जो फर्स्ट गियर डिफिकल्ट होता है ना, वैसा ही है. चेंज इज ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट, बट धीरे 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 ट्राई टू एड ऑन फ्यू थिंग्स इन योर रूटीन, and it becomes very simple. एक एक चीज मैं आपको ये बताऊंगी कि डोंट गो फॉर 3 times ग्रेन का मील, राइट? नेवर एवर गो. इफ यू वांट कि नहीं मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट यू वांट समथिंग ग्रेन वाला, ओके देन डिनर शुड बी स्किप्ड. So I don't want, yeah, lunch should be skipped. Lunch should be high on salads only, which gives you that feeling. पर 3 बार grain मत खाओ. Having grains 3 times always loads your digestion. And once your digestion gets loaded, your healing part, your cleaning part is hampered. तो हमें वो नहीं चाहिए, है ना? तो व्हाट डू वी वांट नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स? अगर वीक में एक दिन फास्ट आप करो जिसमें ट्राई टू हैव, इफ यू वांट ग्रेन, ट्राई टू हैव ग्रेन जस्ट वंस. दूसरी बार ग्रेन नहीं खाना है और आप क्या खाएंगे? यू विल जस्ट हैव सैलड्स या स्मूदीज या फ्रूट्स. कोई तली हुई चीज नहीं, कोई मिठाई नहीं विच इज लोडेड विथ शुगर, मावा, वो सब नहीं चाहिए. Right? Let us study something more about food. Different types of food. What are the different types of food? How they affect our body? Let us know something more about it. Do you know there are three different types of food? मतलब सात्विक फूड, राजसिक फूड एंड तामसिक फूड. तो ये पूरा डिटेल हमारे भगवत गीता में, इट इज वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन्ड इन आवर भगवत गीता अध्याय, लास्ट अध्याय, दैट इज 18th अध्याय, और एंड द वर्स नंबर इज 8, 9, 10. तो इट वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन्स that person in mode of goodness prefer food that promote the lifespan and increase virtue, strength, health, happiness and satisfaction. तो वो फूड कौन से होंगे, कैसे होंगे? तो such food are juicy, succulent, nourishing and naturally tasteful. You don't need to add sugar, you don't need to add anything else to increase, enhance the taste. वो खुद ही रस वाला होता है. जूसी, सक्यूलेंट मतलब वाटरी काइंड ऑफ, राइट? फुल ऑफ सक्यूलेंट मतलब सॉफ्ट एंड वाटरी. नरिशिंग, जो बॉडी को नरिश करेगा, एंड विच हैज इट्स ओन टेस्ट. तो वैसे दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सात्विक फूड. तो सात्विक फूड कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? All fresh fruits and vegetables. As we all know, all fresh fruits and vegetables have lots of water. Water which is rich in nutrition, which nourishes our body, which nourishes our soul as well. एक गुजराती में बहुत अच्छी कहावत है, if you might be knowing it, अन्न एवो ओडकार. आप जो खाएंगे आप वैसा ही बनोगे, आप वैसा ही बोलोगे, आप वैसा ही बर्तन करोगे. सो व्हाट डज आवर बॉडी नीड टू इम्प्रूव और इंक्रीज सात्विक गुणा? वी नीड सात्विक फूड, and this food is very simple. All fresh fruits and vegetables are juicy, succulent, nourishing, and they have their own natural taste. Then whole fats. Whole fats मतलब coconut, श्रीफल. श्रीफल is known as अमृत समान बोला है. श्रीफल is कल्प वृक्ष. कोकोनट प्लांट को हमने कल्प वृक्ष बोला है. ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ कोकोनट इज यूजफुल. कोकोनट वाटर नरिशेस अस. देन कोकोनट का जो फ्लैश है, फ्लैश मतलब white color का जो the thing which we eat, so that is also very nourishing. It is very rich in healthy fats. You won't believe, जिसका कोलेस्ट्रॉल है रेगुलर कोकोनट यूज करेगा उसको कोलेस्ट्रॉल भी कम हो जाएगा. Because when you walk regularly and you consume coconut, piece of coconut every day, then it increases your good cholesterol. जिसका HDL कम होता है उसको कोकोनट से रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज एंड कोकोनट का कंजम्पशन से you increases your good fats in the body, right? Then nuts, soaked nuts and seeds, not the dried one. When we are eating dried nuts and seeds तो क्या होते हैं? ड्राइड पार्ट हमेशा, कोई भी नट और सीड है क्या या कोई भी लाइफ है ना, वो हमेशा खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. When the nuts and seeds are in the dried form, what happens is they have their own phytic acids which tries to protect. ठीक है ना. पर हम जब सोक कर लेते हैं तो वो फाइटिक एसिड which is not needed for our body gets removed. एक बात. दूसरी बात कि the enzymes, it becomes live. The enzymes, when any nut or seed is in the dried form, it is in the dormant stage. It is not active. But when we soak it, it becomes active. ठीक है ना. तो our body needs live enzymes also. एक सिंपल सी बात बोलूं, कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट जा रही है, मतलब काम उसमें चल रहा है, you have concrete, cement, steel, sand, everything which is needed for the bricks, everything which is needed for the construction work to go ahead. सब सामान है, पर अगर वर्कर्स ही नहीं होंगे तो क्या काम बढ़ेगा आगे? नहीं होगा, है ना. So it is the same thing. Enzymes are the workers for our body. We all are born with limited amount of enzymes. When we are just eating lots of cooked food every time, what happens is the like quota of enzymes decreases. The amount of enzyme in the body decreases. And as our enzymes are less in the amount, what happens is all the functions, the whole metabolism is not going to go well. क्योंकि एंजाइम्स आर द वर्कर्स फॉर द बॉडी. आपने प्रोटीन खाया, कार्ब्स खाया, अच्छे फैट खाए, सब कुछ खाया, ठीक है ना. पर अगर आपके बॉडी में एंजाइम सही मात्रा में नहीं जा रहे तो वो सब कुछ खाया हुआ कुछ काम का नहीं होगा. सो दैट इज द ओनली रीजन आवर बॉडी नीड्स lots of live enzymes. And when we soak, when we sprout, when we have raw fruits, vegetables, they are a dense, like proportion, they have dense proportion of enzymes. They have very high amount of enzymes. तो हमें इतना ध्यान रखना है कि 60 to 80% of the food we are eating should be more on raw and live food. तो आपका बॉडी सही से काम करेगा. देन व्हाट नेक्स्ट इज होल ग्रेन. होल ग्रेन मायने कि मैदा, सूजी, वो सब नहीं. दो दे आर मेड अप ऑफ wheat, they are not whole grain because it is processed and more than 60% of nutrition gets removed when we process it. Even white rice, our kitchen is filled with white rice. White rice, polished rice nahi chahiye. Go for unpolished one. Because when we go with unpolished grain, the bran part, which is very rich in nutrition, we get the benefit of it. ठीक है ना. इसीलिए what are the sattvic food category? Juicy, succulent, nourishing, and having its own natural taste. So which are they? All fruits and vegetables, they are very rich in like juices. They are juicy, rich in water content. ठीक है ना. They have their own taste. They are very nourishing for the body as well. Then whole fats, coconut, soaked nuts and seeds you can always add on, and whole grain.
Hello.
Yes. Any problem? Any problem? Hello? Is it all okay? Second type of food is Rajasic food. Rajasic food और तामसिक फूड, ये दो और कैटेगरी के फूड है. Food that are too bitter, sour, salty, very hot and pungent, मतलब spicy, dry and chilly food, they are dear to person who is passionate. And such food produces pain, grief and disease. This is Rajasic food. ठीक है ना? तो एक्सेस ऑफ सॉल्ट, खूब स्पाइसेस डाला हुआ, गरम मसाला डाला हुआ, हींग काफी लाइक क्वांटिटी में डालते हैं, विनेगर्स ऐड करते हैं, तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स मेक द फूड मोर राजसिक. राजसिक लोग जो होते हैं ना, उनको दे आर वेरी पैशनेट, और लाइक खुद के जो एम्बिशन होता है, पैशन है, वही उसके पीछे भागते हैं. दे डोंट थिंक अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. दिस पीपल गेट्स लाइक एंग्री वेरी सून. फटाक से गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, फटाक से वरीफुल हो जाते हैं, दुखी हो जाते हैं, है ना? तो ऑल दिस टेस्ट लीड्स टू दिस प्रॉब्लम्स. तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग राजसिक फूड नहीं खाना है, पर एटलीस्ट हम कम तो कर ही सकते हैं. वी कैन इंक्रीज द प्रपोर्शन ऑफ सात्विक फूड एंड लिटिल बिट डिक्रीज द प्रपोर्शन ऑफ राजसिक फूड. तो शार्प टेस्ट, एज आई टोल्ड यू, कि विनेगर्स है, एक्सेस सॉल्ट, चिली, गरम मसाला, हींग, ऑल दिस थिंग्स लीड्स टू रजस, दैट इज राजसिक फूड में आते हैं. इवन lots of hot drink, if you are sipping continuously, कुछ ना कुछ आप सिप करते ही जाते हो, तो this leads to बॉडी में चेंज आता है, हीट जनरेट होता है. वी डोंट नीड इट. your food should be simple. It should not be added with lots of spices. जितना खुद का जो टेस्ट है, वो टाइप का फूड जो हम खाते हैं ना, तो कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. बट नाउअडेज वी ऑल लव द टेस्ट, राइट? वो जो टंग का जो एडिक्शन होता है टेस्ट वाला, वो कम नहीं कर पाते. तो ग्रेजुअली थोड़ा थोड़ा कम करते जाइए. ये हुआ राजसिक फूड. फिर हुआ तामसिक फूड. ये हुआ तामसिक फूड. तामसिक फूड मतलब ये फूड तो नहीं खाना है. तमस, इग्नोरेंस, जो इग्नोरेंस की ओर हमें ले जाएगा. तो तामसिक फूड वी डोंट नीड. फूड दैट आर ओवर कुक्ड, ओवर हीटेड, रीहीटेड, स्टेल, बासी, थोड़ा सा वो पुट्रेड मतलब उसमें स्मेल आने लग रही है, पॉल्यूटेड, इम्प्योर. We don't need this kind of food, right? This type of food is dear to people who are ignorant. बासी फूड नहीं खाना है. आइडियली तो ऐसे कहा गया है, द फूड विच इज कुक्ड शुड बी कंज्यूम विद इन 3 hours, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. जितना फ्रेश हम कंज्यूम करते हैं उतना ही हमारे में सात्विक गुण बढ़ेंगे. स्टेल फूड, बासी फूड नहीं खाना है, विच इज पैक्ड, विच इज बॉटल्ड, टिन और कैंड, वो नहीं लेना है. बिकॉज इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम. उसमें कितने सारे केमिकल्स भी ऐड करे होंगे सो दैट इट डजंट गेट स्पॉइल, इट रिमेन स्टेबल. So that is what our body does not need and does not want only. What will happen as we eat this kind of food regularly, lots of toxins gets deposited in the system, and over a period of time our body is going to have issues. ठीक है ना. Stimulants, tea, coffee, alcohol, cigarettes, betel nut मतलब सुपारी, betel leaf, अनियन, गार्लिक, ये सारी चीजें, लॉट्स ऑफ अनियन, लॉट्स ऑफ गार्लिक खाना है टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेदर, अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड ऑफ द बॉडी. बट यू डोंट, बिकॉज अनियन, गार्लिक आर वेरी पावरफुल मेडिसिन. You don't need in excess all the time. And when you eat lots of onion, garlic, आपका दिमाग भी तंग रहेगा. फटाक से कोई ना कोई बखड़ा हो जाएगा. No, just to remain grounded, to remain calm. So what we need more on sattvic food and little bit of rajasic food, but not at all tamasic food. Dead food, non-veg मतलब animal products, meat, fish, eggs, वो सब नहीं खाना है. Because it is rotting. Our body does not need it. It cannot digest. Our anatomy, our body का जो structure है, human body is made to eat plant-based food, not animal-based food. Looking at our teeth, looking at the size of our intestine, looking at the secretions of our body can digest easily all plant-based food, not animal-based food. अगर आपको फूड चॉइस, चलो अब आप सोच रहे कि डिटॉक्स करना है, नेक्स्ट टाइम लाइक विद इन फ्यू डेज you think that I will go for it. So what should be your food choice? The food which is very rich in water should be taken first. वो हमेशा first choice होनी चाहिए. It gets digested just in 3 hours. सिर्फ 3 घंटे में वो फूड फटाक से डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा. Then comes the vegetable, जिसमें फ्रूट से वाटर कंटेंट थोड़ा कम होता है. It gets digested in 6 hours. And water poor food like roti है, bread है, or grain part, chapati है, whatever you make at home, so it is very poor in water content and it takes very long for digestion also. Ideally हमारे बॉडी को ग्रेन एक ही बार चाहिए. Our body does not need grain for 2 times a day. It just need once a day. और जितना ग्रेन हम ज्यादा लेते हैं, you see digesting time is 12 to 18 hours. इतना लंबा डाइजेशन टाइम उसको डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए जाएगा. Just imagine your inner doctor, your vitality is just busy digesting this grain वाला part, है ना. तो we don't need the grainy food in excess. नहीं लेना है. We just want the food which is high in water content, which is high in nutrition dense food, colorful food, which can easily digest very fast. इसीलिए आपको हेवी मील नहीं खाना है. एंड इफ you think that your dinner is going to be little bit heavier, try to eat it early. लेट नहीं खाना है. जितना आप अर्ली खा लोगे उतना ही आपके बॉडी को टाइम मिलेगा उसको डाइजेस्ट करने में. और सोने से पहले काफी मतलब लाइटर फील करोगे बिकॉज डाइजेशन प्रोसेस हैज इनिशिएटेड इन अ नाइस वे. सो if you are eating, eat early. Like Jainism says कि evening after sunset you should not eat. That is the truth. 24 hour. You have to eat your meal early. अगर लेट खा रहे हो तो ग्रेन को अवॉइड करो आप. So what should be the quality of food? The quality of the food should be live. Live मतलब उसमें जान हो जानी चाहिए. हमने सोक करा तो एंजाइम्स एक्टिव हो गए. स्प्राउट करा तो इट हैज बिकम लाइव. आप सोचो कि अगर आप पीनट है या बादाम है, अगर आप रॉ फॉर्म में लेते हो उसको सोक करके तो इट हैज द पावर टू स्प्राउट. इट हैज द पावर टू जर्मिनेट. नई जिंदगी वो देगा. इट हैज दैट पावर. बट इफ यू रोस्ट इट, फिर रोस्टिंग के बाद क्या वो उग सकेगा? नहीं उग सकेगा. So this indicates when you roast, at that time all the enzymes become dead. They are destroyed. तो जब हमारे एंजाइम्स डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं तो फूड लाइव हो ही नहीं पाएगा. सो इट वोंट बी गुड फॉर द बॉडी. It should not, we cannot call it live. But at times to enhance something, it is better than lots of grains. So maximum food आपका क्या होना चाहिए? It should be live. मतलब 50% of food should be raw. Rest of the food should be less cooked, and very 20% of food should be totally cooked. So this is how we should eat. The food should be whole. It should not be polished and processed. It should not be fractionated. Polishing process में सारे nutrients निकल जाते हैं. So it should not be like that. It should be plant-based. Because as I told you, our anatomy, our structure, our body structure is made to digest plant-based food. Do we have that canines like tiger, dog, cat? They have वो canine teeth. क्या है वो हमारा sharp teeth जिससे हम tear open कर सके? नहीं है. हमारा teeth का structure देखोगे तो वो maximum flat teeth है, which is used to chew your food very well, है ना? So our food should be live, whole, plant-based and rich in water. Water content of its own. अभी जैसे कि गर्मी की सीजन आएगी तो what type of food will we love? We'll love cucumbers, we'll love दूधी, we'll love all the gods. मतलब like गॉड मैंने गलका है, तुरई है, एश गॉड है. We will love those vegetables. We will love watermelon. We will love muskmelon. तो ये सारे we will start loving them. We will like to have them more. Why? Because it is hot outside and this fruits and vegetables are very rich in water. So it will be our natural demand of the body to love those fruits and vegetables and take them more. So ideal food, the ideal food should be 70% of food should be rich in water. This is the basic understanding कि आपका मील प्लान करते हो तो मील ऐसा प्लान करो कि 70% ऑफ फूड is very rich in water. Only 30% of food should be water poor, which is cooked, which is baked, and which is roasted. ठीक है ना? So only 30% should be water poor food and 70% food should be rich in water. This is the basic classification how your food should be. Now, what type of food we should avoid? Sugar. आप शुगर बंद करके देखो. At least give it a try for a week. And try to connect with the energy, try to connect with your body, and just note it down. You can send it to me. You can message me. How do you feel? I have read an interesting article of a person who reversed all his problems. He was just in his early 20s, I will say, and he had so many problems. He was looking 10 years older than his age. He was having all sort of lifestyle disorders, blood pressure, then diabetic, pre-diabetic stage, high on cholesterol, triglyceride, all the wrinkles, like aging process has been fastened in that person. But what he did, he just followed this kind of food, more on raw, more on water rich food, and just stopped sugar. You won't believe, the person was the same, but he has started reversing all his issues. He has started looking younger, more energetic. The skin has its own glow. So sugar को avoid करो. Sugar is highly acidic for the body. जितना acidic food जाएगा उतने problems बढ़ेंगे, right? And it has the power to start that aging process also. The second food which is to be avoided is refined salt. हम जनरली हमारे किचन में आप देखना क्या, which salt are you using? Generally the Tata and Nirma Shuddha Namak, all sort of refined salts only we are using. This refining process is the most harmful process we have. Because first of all, सारे न्यूट्रिशन, सारे मिनरल्स उसमें से निकाल देते हैं, पूरा उसको रिफाइन कर लेते हैं, heating at a very high temperature, processing with lots of chemicals so that we get that free flow wala structure. So what happens is our body does not want this many chemicals. It does not recognize, right? फिर ऊपर से iodine डालते हैं. But do you know that sea salt is very rich in iodine? Sea salt में मतलब sea has all necessary minerals. It is very rich in iodine, it is very rich in sodium. But what happens is, तो thyroid है तो आप sea salt use कर सकते हैं, not the refined salt, iodized salt नहीं, right? तो no to sugar, no to refined salts. As I have explained, processed and packed food nahi, because they are fragmented. The bran part, the germ part are removed. Just we are getting more on starch, more on calories. That's it. Nutrition, less calories. What is the meaning of it? We don't need refined oil. Safola, corn drop, sunflower, rice bran, फिर soybean oil. नहीं चाहिए. Because they all are refined oils. Refining process, just ये दिमाग में सेट कर दो कि रिफाइन करा हुआ एक भी चीज हम हमारे किचन में नहीं लाएंगे. Refined oils are the most harmful oil we have. You should always go with simple filtered oil. Either तिल का है या मूंगफली का है, या you can go for winters हो तो you can have सरसों का तेल है, even coconut oil we can use. But ऑल सिंपल फिल्टर्ड ऑयल, कच्ची घानी वाला भी चलेगा, कोल्ड प्रेस भी चलेगा, राइट? So no refining of the oils. We don't need the refining process. The refining process changes the whole structure of the oil. Our body do need good fats, but those fats should be used up by the body in the body functions. But these refined oils, they are not recognized by the body because the whole structure has been changed, and due to this, the body starts storing these oils. It is not used in the function. और जो चीज स्टोर होती है, you know what happens, right? When it is used, it is fine. But these refined oils are never recognized by the body, and they are just stored, which creates problem. फिर दूध, सबसे बड़ा problem. You won't believe, milk is one of the most harmful thing we get nowadays. All the commercial milk which we get, they are very dangerous because they have all hormonal injections which are given to the animals to get more milk. तो उसके hormonal residues हमारे body में आते हैं through milk. Second, the animals one side दूध ज्यादा मिले, और दूध कब, एक माँ दूध कब देती है, जब वो बच्चे को डिलीवर करे तब, ठीक है ना? तो बच्चा जब डिलीवर हो जाता है तो द मदर स्टार्ट्स गिविंग मिल्क फॉर द बेबी. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज, नाउअडेज आवर ग्रीड, सी द एक्सटेंट ऑफ आवर ग्रीड, कि इतनी लालच हो गई है कि बच्चा जो छोटा है उसको उसके माँ की दूध की जरूरत है, वो दूध पी ना जाए, उसके मुंह के ऊपर नेट बांध देते, उसको पास में रखना पड़ता है, अदरवाइज काउ विल नॉट गिव मिल्क. उसको नेट बांध देते हैं ताकि पूरा दूध हम ले ले. जस्ट इमेजिन द फीलिंग ऑफ अ मदर. काउ इज ऑल्सो अ मदर, राइट? इट कैन नॉट स्पीक बट इट कैन फील. There are lots of stress hormones coming through the milk to us, and that is the only reason so many depression, anxiety वाले problems बढ़ रहे हैं. Apart from that, एक बाजू काऊ है जो मिल्क भी देती है, और दूसरी बाजू उसको आर्टिफिशियली प्रेग्नेंट फिर से करते हैं ताकि वो दूध की साइकिल बंद ना हो. Just imagine a pregnant lady which is lactating. So many hormonal issues comes to us through this kind of milk, and that is the only reason nowadays PCOD, PCOS, lots of hormonal issues are increasing in young girls, right? So we need to introspect. Overnight कुछ नहीं होता है. It is always we are responsible for everything, and we need to understand where we are wrong. अगर उतना सही हम कर लेना काफी हद तक, we don't need any doctors. We can be our own best doctor. माइक्रोवेव कुक्ड फूड, माइक्रोवेव सबसे ज्यादा, सब लोगों के घर किचन हैज माइक्रोवेव. Continuously reheating of food, that is also in a plastic pan. Just imagine microwave. What does the name suggest? Microwaves, radiations. It destroys the nutrition of the food we are eating, and it makes the food cancer causing. So microwave is worst thing we have in our kitchen. उसको नहीं यूज करो आप. अगर खाना गर्म करना है तो गैस पर करो. Don't reheat in microwave, and don't ever cook anything in microwave, because that is the most dangerous equipment in our kitchen. Then artificial color and fragrances. अभी गर्मी आएगी ना तो every like dairy ice cream parlors will be flooded with people, है ना? तो आपने कभी सोचा है कि वेनिला आइसक्रीम हम जनरली वी लव दैट, राइट? we love vanilla ice cream with brownie and whatever. तो ये जो हम चीज खाते हैं तो वेनिला इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. तो ये आइसक्रीम का कप जो हमें 10-15 रुपए में मिलता है तो उसको एफोर्ड ही नहीं होगा. दैट पर्सन कैन नॉट एफोर्ड serving you vanilla because vanilla is very expensive. What are they putting is vanillin. Vanillin is the byproduct of petroleum refining. जो डामर है, सारे पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स को जो रिफाइनिंग करते हैं ना, उसके बाय प्रोडक्ट से ये वेनिलिन बनता है. एंड वेनिलिन इज हाईली कैंसर कॉजिंग. Not only that, we are adding so many different types of fragrances, so many different types of colors in the food to make it more appealing, to look like जो आंख को अच्छा लगेगा वो भाएगा, right? When have you ever seen palak paneer in hotels and palak paneer at your home? There is a huge difference in the color. Have you noticed it? नहीं करा है तो अभी करना. That hotel wala palak paneer is so green, nice green colored, while the thing which we make at home, it is not that appealing green color. How come? They are adding colors to make the food look good, which we should not. So eating food regularly outside is really very harmful for the body because they put lots of essence, lots of fragrances, lots of color in the food. Not only that, they add so many taste makers, in the food so that the food becomes tasty and you start liking it, and and again you visit that restaurant or a hotel. ठीक है ना? So this is how the food industry is. So be aware of what you are eating. We need to introspect. We need to understand कि ये हम खा रहे क्या सही है. उतना तो ध्यान हम खुद का रख ही सकते हैं ना. Try to make a choice. अगर you don't have any option तो उसमें से भी choose करो आपकी which is less harmful. Select it that way. जो less harmful food है that we should go for. अगर we don't have any choice and option. Now ये सारी चीजें तो हो गई कैसा खाना होना चाहिए, क्या उसके गुण क्या है, उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज कैसी है, वो हमारे बॉडी में क्या करता है. दिस इज ऑल व्हाट वी हैव सीन. नाउ हाउ यू ईट फूड इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन व्हाट यू ईट. अभी आपको अगर ऑब्जर्व करो, एक बाजू मोबाइल होता है, एक बाजू कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं, एक बाजू खाना खा रहे हैं, एक बाजू न्यूज चल रहा है. सो जस्ट इमेजिन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, हाउ यू आर ईटिंग योर फूड. है ना, ऐसा होता है ना. नाउ कैसे खाना चाहिए? चू योर फूड वेरी वेल. God has given us 32 teeth. तो 32 दांत है, 32 बार नहीं तो एटलीस्ट 20-25 बार तो उसको च्यू करो आप. दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड. उतना च्यूइंग इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अगर उतना च्यू नहीं करेंगे, आवर बॉडी, वी डोंट हैव टीथ इनसाइड द इंटेस्टाइन्स. यहाँ पर ही टीथ है, अंदर कहीं पे भी टीथ नहीं है. अगर सीधा फट फट निगल दिया तो अंदर कोई टीथ है नहीं, हमेशा लोड क्रिएट होगा. If the food you are eating will not get well digested, you end up eating large quantity of food because you are not getting that satisfaction food ka. You are not getting that signal कि I am full. 2 रोटी की जरूरत है, अब you end up eating 4 rotis. So chew your food very well. Now when you eat, इतना खाओ कि 1/4 part is empty. 80% तक ही खाओ. रेस्ट 20% खाली रखो सो दैट यू गेट दैट स्पेस फॉर द फूड टू गेट डाइजेस्टेड वेल, उसका चर्निंग अच्छा हो, उसका डाइजेशन अच्छा हो. एंड वंस यू आर ईटिंग हैवी मील यू शुड रेस्ट अ बिट, क्योंकि हैवी मील जब हम खाते हैं ना तो योर ब्लड फ्लो शुड बी टूवर्ड्स योर डाइजेस्टिव ऑर्गन्स, ताकि वो फूड जल्दी डाइजेस्ट हो जाए, अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट हो जाए. बट व्हाट वी डू, खाना खाया और फटाफट भागे ऑफिस के लिए, और खाना भी अच्छे से मस्त रोटी सब्जी मिली, आपकी पसंद वाली सब्जी थी, या वॉट एवर स्वीट्स यू हैड, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया. ऐसा फूड खाया है, योर बॉडी नीड्स रेस्ट, ताकि डाइजेशन अच्छे से हो. सो यू नीड टू रेस्ट अ बिट. हमारे आयुर्वेदा में भी बोला है वाम कुक्षी, मतलब खाने के बाद एटलीस्ट 10-15 मिनट वाम कुक्षी, मतलब लेफ्ट साइड पर आपको सोना है. कई बार क्या होता है, वी ऑलवेज फील कि मैं वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट खाना खा रहा हूँ, बट दो यू आर ईटिंग द बेस्ट फूड, एवरीथिंग इन एक्सेस इज टॉक्सिक. बेस्ट फूड खाया है, बहुत खाया बहुत खाया बहुत खाया, our body does not need this much quantity, फिर क्या होगा? एवरीवेयर देयर इज कंफ्यूजन, यार इसने कितना खाया है, कैसे उसका काम मैं शुरू करूं. सो एवरीथिंग इन एक्सेस इज टॉक्सिक. ईटिंग विदाउट हंगर इज अगेन टॉक्सिक. हम घड़ी के हिसाब से चलते हैं, अरे 1 बज गया, अब तो खाना ही पड़ेगा. भूख नहीं है पर खाना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वी वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लॉक. Instead of that, we need to work according to our inner clock. Our body has its own body clock. If you are not hungry at that particular time, skip your meal. मत खाओ. फिर इतनी जोरों की भूख लगेगी, उस टाइम में आप अच्छे से खा सकते हो. Because at that time your digestive juices are at the peak, so whatever food you are eating will get digested. But when you are not hungry, your digestive juices are not at all active to digest. इसलिए ऐसे टाइम में नहीं खाना है. And chewing your food, chew your food very well. भगवान ने दांत दिए हैं 32 की जगह एटलीस्ट 20-25 बार चबा के खाओ. Because once you chew your food well, you need only, instead of 4 roti, you need only 2 roti. Because our body does not need lots of grains. So that is how you can always help yourself. So you will not overburden it. You will not overburden the whole system. Now there are few combinations which is very important कि आप कौन से फूड को कंबाइन करो ताकि आपको गैसी फील ना हो, आपका डाइजेशन अच्छे से हो, एसिडिटी ब्लोटेड फील ना हो, है ना. जितना डाइजेशन अच्छा होगा उतना ही आपको प्रॉब्लम भी कम होंगे, बिकॉज द टॉक्सिन लोड कम हो जाएगा बॉडी का. अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड ऑलवेज क्रिएट्स लॉट्स ऑफ toxic load inside the body. But once your food gets well digested, that toxic buildup will not be there. So low starch vegetable like cabbage है, cauliflower है, they go very well with all the greens. अब क्या नहीं खाना है is प्रोटीन. बहुत सारे प्रोटीन, मतलब बीन्स है, पीस बीन्स है, सोयाबीन है, ऑल लेंटिल्स यू शुड नॉट हैव विथ डेयरी. दही के साथ में भी नहीं खाना चाहिए, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट से नहीं के साथ में नहीं खाना है, राइट. ऑल द स्प्राउट्स नो. इवन पोटैटो जैसा स्टार्च है, जो स्टार्च एंड प्रोटीन का कॉम्बिनेशन भी गलत है. तो द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फूड मैटर्स अ लॉट. खटाई, जो स्पेशली खटाई नहीं यूज करनी है. इफ यू आर फीलिंग गैसी, इफ यू आर फीलिंग ब्लोटेड, अगर आप खाने के साथ में खटाई ऐड करते हो तो डाइजेशन विल नॉट इनिशिएट फ्रॉम द माउथ, एंड एज डाइजेशन माउथ से इनिशिएट नहीं हुआ है, यू विल end up feeling lots of acidity and gas because our intestines are very long. वो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड एक कोने में पड़ा पड़ा सड़ेगा, गैस और एसिडिटी ही जनरेट होगा, एंड यू विल ऑलवेज फील अनकंफर्टेबल. So this is all about the food. We should always have this kind of food with the right combination, with the right thoughts. The food will always be good. What about pink salt? Yes, you can always add pink salt. Pink salt is Himalayan pink salt, which is good, which is rock salt. उसको rock salt भी बोलते हैं. So if normally we should have this rock salt in regular cooking, but if you are thyroid, having thyroid issue, thyroidic problem है, so you should go for sea salt, because sea salt is very rich in iodine and lots of sea minerals also, which is good for thyroid function. So you can go for it. We should not have, no, you should not have milk. Let me tell you about myself. I have not taken milk since last 12 years. Even just for my जो घर का काम वाला है उसके लिए चाय के लिए दूध आता है. Nobody else in my family used to have milk. मिल्क नहीं. अगर आपको पता है वो दूध कौन सी गाय का आता है, there is no exploitation, then to some extent you should have, but not at least the dairy milk which we get. No. Can we eat curd instead of milk? It is better than milk, but curd also comes from the same milk. So whatever hormonal residues we get through milk, it comes through comes to us through curd and chash also. So, but if you really want, to some extent in summers, during the noon time, you can have little bit of chash, patli wali, but we don't need it, right? But basically curd and chash is better than milk because it has probiotic organisms in it, which helps in digestion. But milk is the worst thing. But if you really want to reverse the issues, and if you have any health issue, I would say no to curd and chash as well. You can always make your own curd, chash, everything. I make my cheese also, but not the routine cheese which we get, and not the cheese made out of milk. I make my cheese with nuts and seeds. Fermenting the nut and seed paste gives you nice cheese, and it is one of the best source of vitamin B12 also. I have written a whole book on alternatives to dairy. You can always get if you want, if you are really interested into it. So let me share what we had today. Today we had grapes wala aloe gel, aloe water. Just do one thing. Aloe का consumption आप चालू रखना, at least in this summer season. It will be a great help to you. Not only to you, your liver will be very happy. Your liver will thank you. And do you know liver is the chemical factory of our body. All the toxins are being detoxified by the liver. And if you take care of your liver will always give you the best, right? And not only that, all the aging process are taken care by the liver as well. And liver has all soothing, antiviral, anti-organism, microbial properties, antimicrobial property it has. which takes care of your allergies, which takes care of your small infections, everything. You can use oranges, as we have already done it on the first day. You can use with lemon, ginger. You can also use with grapes and ginger. Even you can use it with apricots and ginger and aloe vera. This is all you can do. Mid-morning juice was,
We can use a lemon as well.
yes, lemon and ginger also.
Thank you.
Lemon, ginger and aloe gel. That is also very tasty. Then mid-morning juice was beetroot, cucumber, ginger, celery if it is available, and lemon peeled and de-seeded. So this juice, particularly beetroot, takes care of your hormones, hormone health. So it is a best thing we have when we are on the lower side of hemoglobin, when our iron content in the body is low. It is again very rich in all the minerals, which balances the hormones in all women. Even cucumber again, it takes care of your kidneys. It flush out the toxins from your kidneys. As I have already shared, that kidney and liver are the two filters of the body. If these filters are jammed, chalked, we are going to have lots of problem. So we should take care of these filters, that regular detoxifying, cleaning of these filters should be done. Cucumber is one of the vegetable which takes care and flushes out the toxins from your kidneys. Ginger again is best anti-allergic ingredient, anti-inflammatory, and it adds on the taste. Moreover, during this uh, like mix season, संधि काल जो बोलते हैं, तो उस टाइम में we always have more of, स्पेशली स्प्रिंग सीजन वाला जो संधि काल है, स्प्रिंग सीजन इज मोस्ट एलर्जिक, अपर रेस्पिरेटरी वाला प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो जिंजर ऑलवेज वर्क्स इन दैट, right? Celery nourishes our thyroid gland, so it is the best thing we have. Celery बहुत इतना routinely नहीं मिलती, but we should definitely use the stalks of the celery. And celery again is a wonderful vegetable to use in our juice. There are people who reverses their thyroid issues regularly by consuming celery ka juice, right? So this is a tasty juice. I will say I love this juice a lot, and it is one of the best. Like I love this juice. Basically, I love all juices. Thai peanut salad. इसमें रॉ पपाया ग्रेटेड है या उसको स्ट्राइप्स करके करा है, कैरेट्स, श्रेडेड कैबेज, and you can make, see, when you are just having salads, simple eating tasteless vegetables does not give you that good feeling, you know. But when you add some taste, some flavors, it always makes the salad more appealing and tasty. You can make Thai sauce using roasted peanuts, thoda sa roasted peanuts, blend it into that buttery consistency, उसको blend करते जाओ, you get that nut butter जैसा consistency, in which you can add little bit of dates, lemongrass मतलब वो लीलीचा बोलते हैं ना, that is lemongrass. कोई भी थाई फ्लेवर में lemongrass is always there, and do you know the medicinal property of lemongrass? Lemongrass is the best antiviral vegetable we have. Not vegetable, herb we have. It is a herb. So you can add little bit of lemongrass ka patta, mint, coriander, thoda sa garlic and lemon with red chili. वो सूखी वाली red chili. And salt. Just blend it nicely in a salad dressing kind of consistency. and add it in your salad, mix it well and enjoy. You'll fall in love with the salads. That is for sure.
Very true. Is very good.
Ah, true. So happy you have tried and you have done. Very happy. So mid noon दोपहर के time में coconut water, again coconut water, as we all know, it is very rich in potassium. It always releases and flushes toxins from our muscles, from our kidneys as well. And chia seed is very rich in omega-3. Flaxseed is very rich in omega-3. So it is power packed omega-3 which our body needs for good heart function. Lemon juice again adds that detoxification wala effect. So you can have this ginger, lemon, and chia seed ka coconut water. It is like really, I love this. I generally used to have either in the morning or in mid noon. I love this. Agar
And
papaya
chia seeds should be soaked overnight or
not overnight, it should be minimum soaked for 1 hour or half an hour also is fine. But 1 hour is better.
can we take chia seeds in the morning? I mean, first meal of the day, can
Yes,
it
you
be?
can add. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So dinner is green power. Uh, all the green, matlab one bowl of green peas, vegetable broth. Vegetable broth is boiled water of all the vegetables, including you can put वो धनिए मतलब coriander का डंडा, stalks of like every vegetable peel can also be put in the vegetable broth. So that water we should use, which gives an added taste as well as benefit of nutrient dense thing. So just make this green power soup. Peas, beans and coconut का combination is amazing. Amazing combination. अभी थोड़ा टाइम पीस बीन्स मिलेगा, आप बनाना घर पे. यू मेक इट टिल वी गेट ग्रीन पीस इन सीजन, because I don't prefer stored wala thing. I never prefer anything which is deep frozen. Whatever is available in the season, which is available locally, that is what we need, right? Peas beans is very rich in protein. Generally people say कि plant food में protein कम है. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Green peas is very rich in protein. Our spinach has 51% protein. 100 ग्राम spinach में 51 ग्राम protein है. इसलिए plant protein is very rich. It is just a myth that plant-based food is low on protein. No, it is not at all like that. Jowar dalia, you can use. You can cook dalia, and just either you can make it a little bit liquid, soupy consistency wala, or you can make a bowl of it if you want. All chopped vegetables and dalia. You can add whatever flavor you want, whatever spices you want, but this tastes amazing, right? So this is a kind of one pot meal where you get everything in that pot. And affirmations, as I always say, 3/4 is our inner world, 1/4 is only the physical outer world. So once you are healthy, happy, loving from inside, you are bound to get everything out. So just see in the mirror every day and repeat that I am the best version of myself. I love myself. I accept myself as I am, right? I'm blessed. I release of excess weight or whatever health problem you have, right? And that too, that release is very joyfully, very effortlessly. You don't need to put lots of efforts for that. I trust my inner wisdom. This is what we need to say every day. इतना तो हम अंदर अंदर के हेल्थ के लिए उतना तो हम कर ही सकते हैं, है ना? So this is all about it. I think my PCOD and PCOD patient and trying for kids. So any suggestion? PCOD, reversing PCOD takes little bit of time, पर 100% रिवर्सल हो जाता है. जस्ट ट्राई. सिंपल सी बात है, चाहे नाम कुछ भी हो, बेस क्या है? Accumulations of toxins inside the body which leads to the improper functioning of that particular organ. तो अगर हम बॉडी को रेगुलर वे से डिटॉक्स करते जाएंगे तो ग्रेजुअली ऑल द टॉक्सिन्स विल बी फ्लश्ड आउट and the whole system works very well. But yes, there are few for particular this, the whole sort of your lifestyle should be changed, and it is possible to reverse it. Any other question? Any other question?
Ma'am, you told that we can live on breathing. So there is any technique for that? I mean, for whole day we can.
पहले नहीं, it should be always be gradual. See, I don't want you to go, because right now even I have not tried only living on air for a long time. No, I have tried water fasting, juice fasting, water fasting, and intermittent fasting I do regularly. उतना मैंने करा है. Dry fasting now I am planning to do, कि आज शाम को 6 बजे खाना खा लिया, पानी पी लिया, then next day morning 12 hours 16 hours I will not have even water. I will try to dry fast. I am planning to do, yet I have not done. But living on air, it is possible, because there are so many people in the world living just on air. It takes time. It can't be done overnight. Regular, let your body get accustomed gradually, because there are few stages. धीरे धीरे बॉडी उससे used to होके then you can go for it, not overnight.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, most welcome. Any question?
Ma'am,
So,
you have cleared all our doubts.
थैंक यू सो मच. बस अब आज से ये 3 दिन का जो सुना है ना,
जी
वो
मैम.
आप यूज करो बस. दैट इज व्हाट आई वुड रियली वांट यू टू डू.
हाँ मैम, जस्ट अभी
इसको भूल नहीं जाना, इसको लाइफ लॉन्ग याद रखना. यू विल नेवर एवर नीड टू गो टू एनी डॉक्टर. उतना एकदम दिमाग में सेट कर देना कि वैसा ही होता है और होगा ही.
जी मैम.
राइट.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much.
Ma'am, I have attended your that microgreens one also.
Okay, अरे वाह, good.
So I was very eager to attend this.
Great.
But because of women's celebration whole week we have at institute.
Yeah.
So I was little bit busy. I couldn't do this detox. But
Right.
I am planning to do for continuous 3 days.
Perfect.
I'll take a mini vacation for that.
Sure. You need to. You do it and do it wholeheartedly. If you are stuck up, you can message me. No worries. Right? Whatever is needed on my part, I will definitely guide you. पर आप करना. You will experience a new you. That is for sure.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for.
From bottom of my heart, ma'am. Really, it was a wonderful, wonderful session.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All the 3 days.
Thank you. Even I enjoyed with you all.
Thank you, Alpa Ben. It was very nice as usual.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.